Neuroscience opens before us an amazing world in which the usual sensations and thoughts appear in a new light. We are used to considering ourselves as integral personalities, but scientists are increasingly showing our I is the result of the incredibly complex work of billions of neurons that rewrite themselves every moment. Neurons are tiny cells connected to a network with an infinite number of connections. They communicate with electrical impulses and chemical signals, and it is their interaction that creates everything that we perceive: emotions, solutions, memories. But if the network is constantly changing, can we talk about something constant inside us? Or is our I just a story that the brain tells us? Interestingly, the perception of the world is not a reflection of reality at all, but its internal reconstruction. The mind works as an artist. He uses the signals of the senses as paint, and imagination and memory as a brush. Therefore, two people looking at the same thing can see completely different things. We do not live in an objective picture of the world. We live in its internal version created in ourselves. The peculiarity of the human mind is not only perception, but also the ability to predict. We build models of the future every moment. When we catch the ball, we predict its trajectory. When we listen to music, we expect the next note. This ability gives us not only survival, but also creativity, the opportunity to imagine what has not yet happened, and to translate it into reality. Modern science has already learned to read individual images and thoughts on the activity of neurons. This is amazing, but does not remove the main question. Why do these signals give birth to subjective experience? Why do we not only react, but feel joy, inspiration, love? Maybe the bottom line is that a person is not just a set of cells. We are a process that constantly creates and updates ourselves. We are a story that the brain tells about us. And in this process, it is born that it is impossible to reduce to simple mechanics: dreams, ideas, hopes. Neuroscience reminds us that inside everyone is an endless potential for change. We are not static. We are creatures who can rewrite our internal ties, study, forget, dream, and create a new one. And perhaps the main answer to the question, who are we? It consists not in the final formula, but in the understanding that we are an endless process of formation.